So recently I tried out FastAPI and I'm pleasantly surprised by how fast and easy it is for writing APIs. FastAPI also has automatic Swagger documentation, types with Pydantic, great editor support, and nice dependency injection system. Now you probably know that since you're watching this video, so let's get straight to the point. Most of the resources I found on this topic are not updated and use dependencies that are not well established, and personally I would avoid them in production. So that's why I created a starter project that has FastAPI, SQLAlchemy 2, Alembic, and Postgres database. SQLAlchemy has got its new version released, and it's a smart thing to start adapting and using the new version as soon as possible. We are using SQLAlchemy as it's the go-to ORM for Python-based backends, as it offers an easy way to model the database and query its objects. The second thing that is just as important is Alembic, as it's used to handle database migrations. The resources on Alembic for this topic that I found were really outdated, as they were not recognizing column changes for the models that we had, and most of the times the database that was used was SQLite. The final thing I've added is the connection to Postgres database, because it's the standard database that's widely used. It's fast, open source, performant, concurrent, and reliable, which are all the things that we need to get going. You'll have all the instructions on how to run this project, which environment variables to set, and how to make the repository your own in the readme.md file in the GitHub repository. I've created this repository to save you time, because I have been digging through documentation and looking for the best solutions to implement this starter template. I hope you found this useful, and thanks for watching.